Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be showing you how to install the next generation of industry-leading LED bulbs, the all-new Diode Dynamics SL2 Pro. These bulbs are designed and engineered here in the US, backed by a lifetime warranty, and include many patent-pending features. We'll be installing these bulbs on this 2012 Toyota 4Runner. Thanks to their design, these bulbs are a direct fit and totally plug and play, without any external drivers and long wiring getting in the way, making this installation a breeze. Before we get started, it's important to note that these and all other LED bulbs on the market are not legal for use in your headlights for on-road use in the United States. And if you want to learn more about our SL2 Pro LED bulbs, check out the video linked in the description below. Let's get started.
Starting with the high beam, we can disconnect the stock bulb and turn it counterclockwise until it's aligned with the key and remove it from the lamp.
Taking a quick look at your SL2 LED bulbs, you'll notice that there's two set screws around the collar for rotation adjustment. We'll go ahead and take the supplied Allen key and just make sure these are tight before installing them. You can check out the video linked in the description below for more detailed information on this feature, but for this vehicle, we will not be needing to make any collar adjustments. Lastly, before installing any bulb back to the vehicle, a good practice is to always add some dielectric grease to the connector. Even though most sockets have a rubber seal like this one here, adding the grease is an extra barrier to seal the connector from any moisture that could get through and corrode the pins. If you don't have any already, we offer these small packets to add to your order for under $1 as a cheap preventative measure.
Now taking our SL2 Pro LED bulb, we can insert it into the housing, rotating the bulb clockwise to secure it. Then simply plug it in and test for functionality. Moving on to the low beam, we can repeat the same process. Remove the stock bulb, insert our SL2 Pro into the housing, optionally add some dielectric grease and plug it in. Moving on to the driver's side, we can repeat the same steps. It's a lot tighter on this side due to the battery, so we won't show this side on camera. Finally, we can do one last test to make sure everything is functioning properly. With our SL2 Pro LED bulbs installed, you'll see a dramatic increase in output with the halogen low beam measuring at 625 lux compared to the 2300 lux provided by the SL2 Pro. That's about a 268% increase.
As you can see, with our SL2 Pro LED bulbs installed, not only will you get a huge upgrade in performance, but you'll also get that clean, modern appearance. If you're looking to pick up a pair of our SL2 Pro LED bulbs for your ride or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.